After drifting helplessly across the ocean, Mia is barely conscious and has almost lost hope. But then, a flock of seagulls circles above her. She doesn't know it yet, but those birds are about to save her life. Nearby, a fishing boat spots the same flock and moves closer to investigate. Suddenly, they find a wooden crate floating in the water, with Mia's baby inside. Then they realize there's something else caught in their lines. It's Mia. They pull her onto the boat and desperately perform CPR. For a moment, it looks like she's gone. Then Mia suddenly gasps for air. And the first thing she asks is whether her baby is safe. Moments later, mother and child are finally reunited.